1D motion along এখানে x oblique y oblique z, and this is x comma y, y comma z, and z comma x axis, and এটা একসঙ্গে what is this x y z axis. So one thing is important, x y y z z x, and here এখানে টার্মস হচ্ছে সাইমালটেনিয়াসলি, এই দুটোতে কমন ওয়ার্ড সাইমালটেনিয়াসলি, একসঙ্গে সাইমালটেনিয়াসলি। সাপোজ এখানে 3 মিটার 1 সেকেন্ড এটা কমপ্লিট, দেন 2 মিটার 1 সেকেন্ড, সাপোজ দিস ইজ x axis, and suppose this is y axis, but what is the difference? a motion টা কমপ্লিট হয়েছে, তারপর এটা স্টার্ট হয়েছে। what is this motion? one time 1D motion or 2D motion?
2D motion.
So 2D. This is not 2D motion, this is 1D motion. 2D motion, x and y simultaneously, y and z line, z axis simultaneously, z and x axis simultaneously, and x, y, z in 3 axis simultaneously. But what is happening here? This is completed, then it is started. X axis completed. When it is completed, this is 1D motion. Separately it is 1D motion. But when x axis and y axis, there is simultaneous motion. I am giving one example. Suppose a body is thrown from here horizontally. This is the height. This is the height h. A body is thrown. Body is moving like this, and this, for this motion, it has time, it has velocity, and body is falling down. This is e equal to 0, and in downward direction there is acceleration. Due to this, the body will ultimately fall this path, falls along this path, in this path. So what is happening? Simultaneously, suppose body is reaches here, this is the x displacement, and this is actually y displacement or h vertical displacement. These two displacements are taking place simultaneously. This is x axis and this is y axis. They are taking place simultaneously. देखो ये चल रहा है, ये भी गिर रहा है. In this direction and in this direction, both are taking place simultaneously. In this case, this is projected or 2D motion, because x axis and along y axis both are taking place simultaneously. But when body is moving like this, it is completed. Next body is moving like this. Again, this motion started. After completion of this motion started. Therefore, this is not 2D. This is 1D, because a motion complete हो चुका, उसका बाद a motion. Okay? Now, 1D along x axis. Suppose a body, I am throwing a body in this direction along z axis. Vertically body is moving up or moving down. This is single motion. This is also 1D motion. This is separately 1D. This is separately 1D motion. No 2D motion. 2D motion means, देखो, a body is thrown horizontally from this point. Body is moving down in this direction due to these two parameters: initial velocity 0, acceleration g, and in this case, what is the displacement? H equal to 0 into t plus half gt square in this direction. So from here, what is this? T equal to what? T equal to 2h divided by g whole root. This is t. This is t. What is x-axis? Displacement along x-axis. What is this? X-axis displacement. Please write down. I am deleting. Just please see here. projectile is a 2D motion. Projectile 2D motion. Along x-axis, please write down like this. Along x-axis, along y-axis. Along x-axis, first start along y-axis. Initial u equal to 0 or in this direction g, and in this direction this is h. Now what is this? H equal to original formula, h equal to ut. Body is falling, therefore half gt square. Body is moving like this, and acceleration in this direction, so ut, h equal to ut plus half gt square. Now what is u? U equal to 0 plus half g into t square. So from here, sir, half g t square. So what is t? T equal to 2h by g, and this is equal to along x-axis. What is that? Along x-axis, here is x equal to, this is v into t. In this direction, one thing is important. Along y-axis, time is t. Along x-axis, time is t. In this direction, sir, x equal to vt. X equal to vt. Please take this t. What is t? T equal to 2h by g. This is known, and this is known. We can calculate x. And what is the name of the path? What is the nature of the path? The nature of the path, please see here. Nature of the path, this is parabolic path. This is parabolic path. Okay, please write down. This is parabolic path. Now I will draw a bigger figure, and that figure is very, very important. It is okay? Now, please see here. It is see here. A body is thrown like this. This is u. This is theta. What is u? U is projecting velocity. What is this u? This u is projecting velocity. This is projecting velocity. What is theta? This is projecting angle. We can write another name. Angle of projection. This is angle of projection. Similarly, what is this? This v is another, u is another name. Velocity of projection. This is velocity of projection. This is velocity of projection. Please see here. When body thrown like this, the body moves in this path. This path is very, very important. What is the name of the path? Path is called trajectory. What is this? Trajectory. Now, please, you can divide this velocity in this direction. What is this? Sir, this is u cos theta. And this is, what is this? Sir, this is u sin theta. Please see here. This is the highest point of the, this is the highest point, and therefore this is known as maximum height. This is the highest point. This is the highest point. This is the highest point. Now one thing is important. Please see here. How will you know this is the highest point? Because u cos theta, this remains same throughout the path. Here is u cos theta. Here is u cos theta. Please see here. And this is also u cos theta. Please see also here. This is u cos theta. U cos theta, this is the horizontal component of the velocity. This is horizontal component of the velocity remains same. And this here is vertical component. Vertical component, I am taking this is the y-axis and this is the x-axis. Since it is the highest point, therefore here is 0. Here is 0. Here is 0. Vy is 0. Vy is 0. This is u cos theta, u sin theta. Now one thing is important. From this is the maximum height. This is the maximum. This is the height. Maximum height. What is height? Spelling H-E-I-G-H-T, height. Now one thing is important. Please see here. Here to here, this is known as R. R comes from, it is known as range. Range. In Bengali it is called Prokhep Shima. Range. From initial position and final position, the horizontal displacement, this is the range. Now please try to understand. Here, body from here to here, this time is known as capital T. What is capital T? Total time of flight. F-L-I-G-H-T. Please try to understand total time of flight. What is the formula? Total time of flight, this depends on this vertical component. It is 2u by g. In this case, u is u sin theta. This is u sin theta. 2u by g. Here u is the u sin theta. This is total time from here to here. Now one thing is important. What is range? Range is, please see here. What is range? Who is responsible for this range? This velocity. Actually, if you take this is x equal to u cos theta into a small t. Now put the condition. What is the condition? When small t is capital T, then x equal to r. I am putting x equal to r. U cos theta is constant. This t will be sir t, capital T. Now put the value of capital T. Capital T is what? Sir, this is u cos theta. Capital T equal to sir 2u sin theta by t. We know that. What is that? Sir, this is u. What is this? Sir, this is u square. 2 sin theta cos theta, we know it. Sin 2 theta. Very good. This is the g. Range equal to u square sin 2 theta by g. Okay? This is one formula. Next formula, what is moving up? This is the initial velocity, final velocity vy. We can write. What is that? Please see here. This is, you can draw it. You can see it. Please see here. This is vertical component. What is vertical component? Initial velocity, final velocity vy square. U sin theta whole square. Minus 2g into a small s. Now please see here. When this u equal to vy equal to 0, what is h? H is capital S. You can write like this. This is u sin square theta minus 2g capital S. Now take here capital H equal to u sin square theta by 2g. Please see here. U square sin square theta by 2g. This is the capital H. Now here is one question. This is initial. This is the range. This is the maximum height. What is the general formula? General formula here, number one, sir, u v y equal to u sin theta. This is the initial velocity minus gt. Now you can calculate. Suppose body is moving here from here to here. Body is moving like this. This time is that capital T by 2. This is a capital T by 2. This is another capital T by 2. Total time is T. Please see here. Here to here total time is capital T. And here to here this time, actually I am putting here. This time, in time this is T by 2. This is another T by 2. You can calculate this T equal to what? This is, please try to understand. When I will put this is 0, this is u sin theta, this is g, and what is this time? Anyone? What is this time?
Capital T by 2.
This is capital T by 2. Very good. Now you can take in this direction, in this side. What is the question? In this side, this is gt by, in this side, sir, this is gt by 2, and this is u sin theta. Now, what is t? What is t? T equal to 2u sin theta divided by g. Please write down. T equal to 2u sin theta by g. T equal to 2u sin theta by g. Okay. Now, here is one important question. Please see here. I am deleting. What is the general equation? General equation number 1, sir, v y equal to u sin theta minus u minus gt. Super formula. Second formula, by square equal to u sin theta minus 2gh. Third formula, sir, h equal to u sin theta into t minus half gt square. Now, these are the vertical motion. V equal to u minus gt. Here u is u sin theta, v square equal to u square minus 2gh, and h equal to ut sin theta, u sin theta into t minus half gt square. Now, these are the variable equation. Here h and vy variable, here t and h variable, here t and vy variable. Now, from here we have got capital T equal to 2u sin theta by g. This is number 1. This is the fixed equation. Second equation, r equal to u square. What is this? Sin 2 theta by g. And third equation, capital H equal to u square sin square theta by g. Please write down. T equal to t sin theta by g, r equal to u square sin 2 theta by g, and h equal to u square sin square theta by g, u square sin theta square by g. Now here is one important question. What is the question? In case of long jump, this is very very important. Please see here. In case of long jump and high jump, I am deleting. Please see here. What is this? This is the soft soil. ये वाला ढीला मिट्टी है, ठीक है. A player is moving like this. A player, suppose u equal to 0, she is or he is moving with acceleration a. From here, one thing is important. This is the disqualifying line. The player cannot touch this line. Before this line, the player will jump. This is very very important. Please see here. In this case, suppose for every player this u is same for every player, u same. Now one thing is important, this angle with horizontal, this angle projecting angle of projection. What is the formula? R equal to u square sine 2 theta by g. Please try to understand. It is same and g is constant. It is also same. Now man to man, R will be different. How? If we want to get R is maximum, so R maximum means a constant. This will be maximum. What is the maximum value? Sine 2 theta, sine theta, sine 3 theta. Every sine, this has maximum value. This is 1. Now this is the maximum. This is the maximum raise. कब हुआ है? When, sir, it is when sine 2 theta equal to 1. From here 2 theta equal to 90 degree, theta equal to 45. What is theta? Theta is 45 degree. What is this? Maximum range. Range will be maximum when angle of projection. MCQ question. Range is maximum. MCQ question. When theta is 0 degree, theta is 65 degree, theta is 45 degree, theta is 90 degree. Which one correct? Sir, this one the correct. This one the correct. Okay. Now another question, simple question. Suppose, please write down. One question is important question. Here, what is the important question? See here. This is one question. In case of long jump, theta should be 45 degree. In case of high jump, please see here. This will be maximum. These are this constant. What is the maximum value? Sir, H max equal to here u square by u square. Now देखो, this is H max from here. In case of high jump, H is H max. What is H max? This is u square. This is 1 divided by g. Means when sin square theta equal to 1, sin square theta equal to 1, so sin theta equal to, what is this? 90 degree. This is range is maximum when theta is 45, but maximum height is maximum, theta is 90 degree. When height is maximum, theta is 90 degree. Therefore, what is the question? Vertical height, please write down. Vertical height is maximum when theta is number 1 0 degree, number 2 30 degree, number 3 60 degree, and number 4 sir 90 degree. Answer is 90 degree. Please write down. But 30 degree, this is 30 degree, 30 degree, 60 degree, 60 degree, this is 90 degree. Now one important question, please see here. What is the important question? Please copy it. Write down. Next question, very simple question. What is that? This question is very important, and it is also easy. When a body is thrown here is kinetic energy equal to K. Kinetic energy equal to K. And here theta is 45 degree. Theta is 45 degree. Clear? Question पूछा kinetic energy at the highest point. Kinetic energy at the highest point. एकदम simple answer. What is this? Initial kinetic energy, if you take this is u, this is theta, please see here, and this is the total path, this is the highest point. In this case, this is u cos theta equal to 45 degree. This is u cos 45 degree, and this is u sin 45 degree. And here, what is this sir? This, since it is the vertical position and this is the highest position, this is Vy equal to 0, but this is u cos 45 degree. What is the kinetic energy here? Here kinetic energy equal to half m into u cos 45 degree. Please try to understand. In this case, here kinetic energy K equal to what? Here, please don't consider this component, only projecting velocity, half m u square. What is this? Half m u square equal to K, and this is half m u cos 45, because here is no vertical component. Now what is this? Sir, this is half m u square cos 45 value. What is this? This is 1 by root 2 whole square. Now what is this? Sir, this public is K and this public is T. Answer is kinetic energy at the highest point. Kinetic energy at the highest point K by 2. In MCQ, what is the answer? Kinetic energy at the highest point is 0. Number 1. Number 2, K by 2, K by 3, K by 2 and K. This is the question. Please write down. What is this? Here is velocity u. I am taking kinetic energy equal to K equal to half m u square. Theta is 45 degree. Question is, what is the question? Kinetic energy at the highest point. This is the question. Kinetic energy at the highest point. Therefore, what is this? At the highest point, u cos theta component will be present. Vertical component will be 0. Why? Because it is the highest point. Since it is the highest point, vertical component is 0. Only horizontal component is present. Therefore, kinetic energy at the highest point. Kinetic energy at the highest point is this. Another question. I think I am deleting this. Please see here. Here is one important question. Please write down. Angle between velocity and acceleration at the, please see here, at the highest point at the highest point on the trajectory. Full language, sir, on the trajectory, please see here, on the trajectory, angle is 0 degree, angle is 30 degree, angle is, this is 90 degree, angle is 180 degree. Please guess. Actually, this is not the guess question. Here is the actual physics. What is the physics? Please see here. Angle between the velocity and acceleration at the highest point. Answer is, at the highest point, this is 0. There is no this velocity, only this velocity. This is the velocity and this is the g. G means this is the acceleration. This is acceleration. Please see here. This is acceleration and this is the velocity. Now, what is the angle? Sir, this is the angle. What is the angle? Answer is 90 degree. This is it is okay. At the highest point, the angle between the velocity means horizontal velocity. Vertical velocity is vanished. Horizontal velocity, this is the velocity and this is the acceleration due to gravity. And this is what? So this is 90. Next part. Next number of is important.